Welcome to Magitoots. In this tutorial we will have a look at how to save in Canva. Well, the good news is that Canva actually saves automatically. So in 99% of the cases you don't even need to save by yourself. As you can see here in the top bar it says all changes saved. And we can actually use this here as an indicator to make sure that saving was successful whenever we do something in our Canva project. For instance, when I choose a picture here now from Canva's very own photo library, you will see here that this indicator will quickly change, and then if the changes are successful, it will revert back to all changes saved. So that said, whenever you see all changes saved here, you can rest assured that saving has actually automatically been done for you and there's nothing for you to do. However, whenever you want to make sure that everything's saved properly, you can also go here to File and then simply click here on Save. If you would like to save a certain project in a certain folder, you can also click here on File and then click on Save to Folder. And that's it, guys. That's actually all you need to know about saving in Canva. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.